Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Another Nissan Rogue or Altima Maxima, it could be the same procedure, or Infinity with the transmission, brand new transmission was replaced. And the procedure is to clear the Judder coat. I am going to check my Conscious 3 Plus that I already connected here. And if you see, this is the piece. So I'm gonna go click next and let us see if I can communicate with it and do the work for this car, just a little bit. The concern is to make the Judder coat. Okay, ignition is on, Conscious 3 Plus. That's the technology is connected, and I will go to diagnose one system, and I will go to transmission first. I want to do the Judder coat. Actually, the transmission for this car is coming like this from the dealer. If you want to change the whole transmission, this is the whole transmission unit here, resting here, and this is the CD that is coming with. And here we have 3WX6 board. So I'm gonna go back. This is the car. The transmission is installed already. Okay, so let's go ahead, and we are trying to read the code and see what available. I know Judder code is one of the big code that giving us hard time, and you know that we have to be careful with the, because you need this space to be there, and be sure that that is the OBD2. Don't touch it, because you need to push both of them in a few car not running. Here we have a lot of codes. If you see here, input the speed, PC solenoid, PC solenoid, a lot of codes here. And the last one is Judder here. So let's try to erase them. Erase them. If you notice here, the Judder code, both of them is available. Okay, so I'm gonna send this information. Hopefully everything gonna go away except the Judder code. So what I gotta do is I will go to work support as usual and go to the characteristic writing and programming. So I need to go here, and I will open my desktop at least to see this is the code W6B, and I will open this. Now as usual we go to the next level, and operation must be as usual. This have to be in reverse. Both here to my left. Brake have to be pushed, gas have to be pushed, and keep pushing it, and then do start. Now it's done. The next step, put this one back, remove your feet, remove your leg, and now end. No. Turn the key off. 2 seconds. You have to count down. 0. Now open it on. Now you have a time to go to the next. Ignition on. Go next. Right. Complete success. End. Now I gotta go back. This is the computer identification, ECU identification. This is the part number. Now I gotta go back to diagnose result. You see it changed to yellow. Erase, it will change to green, and it takes less than 5 minutes to do it with the right tools. Please subscribe, share and like. I'm gonna start my car now. No check engine light, everything will look good, and we're good to go. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video.